Hey everybody, Joe from Jwbs here today. I'm very excited. I got a new bandsaw right here. It's a Jwbs-18. So here's my old bandsaw. This was a Central Machinery just from Harbor Freight. This one's capable of about 6 inches of cutting. This new one here can go up to 16 inches. Probably never end up going that big, but I just figured might as well get it. Over here I've been into milling wood, so I have my chainsaw set up. Chainsaw's all set up on my Alaskan sawmill. So this I use for bigger, all my tools and pieces for it. I use that for bigger stuff. Anything, it can go up to basically 30 inches. So I figured this for anything in between. That way I don't have to buy a mill anytime soon. I can just use this for basically up to 16 inches, and then anything bigger I can use that over there for now. And that should work for me. But as you can see, it's in a nice wood crate, so we gotta take it apart, kind of get it out of here, get it moved around. I got it out of the crate, no problem. I got it unwrapped, come boxes of all the stuff I gotta put together, the table, whatnot, but here it is. Should have taken a video of unloading because that was definitely a harder part. It would have been not so bad to unwrap this thing if I wasn't jammed in my garage here, but gotta clean it out a little bit and then find the spot for it. But so far, there it is. Next, I'll move it to where it needs to go and put it together.